And hi everybody, good afternoon. Ryan Breton here on this very dreary Tuesday afternoon, taking a look at Mount Nittany through the course of the day today. We have had periods of rain moving through Happy Valley, and some of that rain has been heavy at times. Certainly an ugly day if you have had to walk outside today. It's quite ugly out there right now. Temperature here in State College is 46 degrees, an east to southeast wind coming in around 10 miles per hour, so it feels quite a bit brisk out there this afternoon, in addition to the rainfall that we've been dealing with. The major weather story through the course of the day today has been the severe weather and tornadoes down here through the south. And take a look at the visible satellite picture. You can almost trace out an S to this as opposed to the typical comma-like shape that we see associated with a cold front. Essentially, there's a big block in the atmosphere and weather systems just aren't moving, and that's why the weather here in State College isn't changing much day to day, and unfortunately it's another severe weather day down here through the south. A moderate risk of severe weather down here through parts of Mississippi and into Alabama, and the severe weather threat continues through much of the southeast, where we actually have tornado watches in effect at this time. One that's in effect down here along the Gulf Coast, and another one in effect for North Carolina. We are on the northern edge of this system, in other words, not dealing with any sort of severe weather. Instead, we've had periods of rain moving through central Pennsylvania through the course of the day today. This is a 6-hour loop. You can see that it's been green everywhere, so a very wet day for sure here in Centre County. Well, where do we go from here? Our forecast for tonight brings us through midnight here. Temperatures mainly in the lower half of the 40s with periods of rain, and then as we go through the night, we may get into some very heavy rain by early tomorrow morning, and for the morning commute it could be quite wet out there with temperatures mainly in the 40s. Then as we go through the day tomorrow, this storm system remains in place, so it's going to be a very wet day, and with this easterly wind coming in, it's going to remain quite cool with temperatures mainly in the 50s, and we'll have periods of rain and downpours through the day tomorrow. This system only very slowly moves through here on Thursday, so eastern Pennsylvania has the highest chance of rain here on Thursday, as well as the northern part of the state closest to this main upper level low. We may break out into some sunshine here in Centre County, and if we do, that would push our temperatures up into the 60s here on Thursday, and I know that many of us are looking forward to even just a possibility of some sunshine. Take a look. Here's a 7-day forecast. After that, Friday looks mostly cloudy, temperatures mainly in the 50s. A bit unsettled this weekend, kind of like last weekend, a mix of sunshine and clouds, just a chance of a shower with temperatures in the 60s, and then there are signs of a warm-up as we head into finals week at Penn State. And that is my final forecast for this school year. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll look forward to seeing you right back here again in August.